The site that I'm looking at right now is called helpareporter.com. And basically what you do is you subscribe to this site and you'll get emailed a few times per day when a reporter needs to talk to an expert in a particular field that you have chosen. Now there's many categories that you can subscribe to, and if you help these reporters, most of them will be happy to plug your website. So for example, they may ask you questions on something related to weight loss if that's your niche, and you can provide a few quotations that they could use, and they will source you. They'll give you credit for that, and maybe even link to your site. So just looking at the site here, it does mention that nearly 30,000 members of the media have quoted sources from this site, so members of this site. So this is a great way for you to get lots of free traffic, as it can help you build a relationship with reporters and get your website more exposure.